Hey everyone, thanks for staying back. Lately, our communication has not been great, so let's talk about what's going wrong and how we can fix it. Let's keep this chill but clear, okay?
Sure, sounds great.
Hidayah, you mentioned language issue. What kind of problem are happening?
Yeah, during meeting, people sometimes switch between English, Malay, and even Mandarin without thinking. For example, in last week's safety training, some foreign staff didn't understand because the technical term were only explained in Malay.
Why do people mix language like that?
It's just a habit. They feel comfortable using their own language, but others get confused.
Idaya, do you have any idea on how to fix it?
I have two ideas, which is the first one, give language training for those who need help. The second idea is, in meeting, we just use simple English so everyone can understand.
Who do you think should arrange the training that you wanted to provide for them?
I think HR can do it. Maybe they can bring in outside trainer and so on.
Alia, you mentioned people are afraid to speak up. What made you bring this up?
I noticed during meeting, especially when senior managers are around, some people keep quiet even if they have a good idea. Like in our event planning meeting, some people had a smart idea to save budget but didn't say anything because they were scared it will be rejected.
Why do you think people are scared?
Because they don't want to look tense or being judged.
So, how can we maneuver that issue exactly?
We need a more supportive culture, praise a good idea, and don't judge people harshly. Everyone should feel safe to speak up.
Who do you think should start this change?
Team leader first, but really, all of us should help.
Iman, your point was about emotions and conflict. What kind of issues have you seen?
Sometimes, when people are stressed, they get angry or misunderstand each other. During the product launch, it got so tense that two departments blamed each other for delays instead of fixing the problem.
Why do you think stress triggers that?
When people feel overworked, not appreciated or ignored, they get emotional.
How can we handle that better?
Here's what we can do. First, stay calm when things get heated. Second, really listen to each other. Lastly, talk about how people feel first. Say things like, I can see you are frustrated before trying to solve the issue.
Who should act when things get tough?
Anyone in the room, it's not just the manager's job. We all can help.
Alif, you mentioned problem with hierarchy. What kind of issue do you see?
Juniors don't speak up when seniors make mistake. In our marketing project, the manager made a mistake with numbers, but no one corrected him, and it caused more problems later.
Why didn't anyone say anything?
Because in our culture, correcting a senior can feel disrespectful.
How can we fix that?
Here's what we can do. First, seniors should show it's okay to be wrong sometimes. Second, train managers to listen and accept feedback. Lastly, reward people for speaking up respectfully, even they are correct someone.
Who should get the training first?
Heads of department and team leaders.
Faiz, your point was about slang and how people talk. What's the issue?
Sometimes people use local slangs or inside jokes that they don't understand. During a project meeting, someone said, "Ala cincai la," and the interns don't know what that means.
Why is that a problem?
Because not everyone has the same background, it can confuse people or make them feel left out.
How can we fix that?
Here's how. We should not use slang words in formal settings. Second, we should stay focused on the topic. Don't go off topic with jokes. Thirdly, we should take turns speaking so everyone gets to share.
Who should make sure the communication is clear?
All of us. It's everyone's job.
Okay, after hearing all of this, what are the top solutions we should start with?
For me, use a simple English in meeting. It's really easy and helpful.
Create a safe and supportive space so everyone can speak up.
Have managers lead by example, admit mistake, and encourage feedback.
And watch what we say, no slimy meetings, be clear.
Awesome. Let's bring this idea to our team leader. Thanks everyone. That was really helpful.